Hello everyone. Today we're spending a couple hours up here at the tent just working on some of these fallen down trees from that thunderstorm last year that had all that wind. This one here, this little pine tree, this one is on my to-do list, and there's a bigger one that's behind the tent that I'll show you once we get there. But there's actually a lot of trees that fell down in that storm. Must have had a lot of wind, but we're just gonna work on a few of them today, and hopefully over the course of the summer and fall I can get through some more of them. We got Kenna with us today. Phoenix is in the SUV, and on the way here I swung by Grandpa's place. He's up. I knocked, he didn't answer, but he had his tunes going, so he might not have heard me. But once I fire up the chainsaw, I'm sure he'll probably come around. If not, I'll swing by there later. But anyways, I'm gonna go grab the chainsaw and we're gonna get started on this first pine tree right here. some of this one up. This one here isn't the great big one, but I think with that great big one, it might be better to have two people. But this one here definitely looks like a decent amount of firewood. So let's get that.
I loaded up. Didn't get as much done today as I was hoping, but I spoke with Grandpa quite a bit, and that was nice, and still got out here and enjoyed the fresh air, so can't complain. But what a beautiful day. I'm tired. I worked my overnights, so I didn't get home this morning until 5.
And then probably didn't fall asleep till 6. Got up at 10. So I'm tired. I'm ready to go home. Yeah. Alrighty. See you guys later.